Namaskar and good morning. Now we will take a look at Karnataka Bank. But before going to it, I want to tell you there are two qualities which are very essential for any successful investor. There may be 100 investors, out of them only 10 may be successful. But if these two qualities are observed well, all the 100 can potentially be successful investors. One is attention span, second is absorption span. Attention span, I find most of the people go from one to another, not spending even 15 seconds or maximum 1 minute on a particular script. Now, if you don't spend even 1 minute, how much will you absorb? You won't absorb much. So, attention span, when you look at a successful company, spend full time on that, absorb all the details, then only you can be a successful investor. And I want you to be a successful investor. Let there be a large number of billionaires in India. Already many people are coming up, but they are all entrepreneurs. Billionaire investors are less still. Okay, we'll go to Karnataka Bank. Please remember these things which I'll be telling you now and then. Karnataka Bank is mostly based in Karnataka. Of course, it is there in South India fully. But Karnataka, more than 500 branches. Other places, 50 or less. Like Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Kerala, Maharashtra. Now, let us look at the results. Interest on advances and bills. The latest Q1, 1,538.78 crores, which is 23.4% more compared to the year on year. This is year on year 23.4% growth. Quarter on quarter growth 2.09%. Then income on investments 362 crores. That is 5.62% more year on year, but quarter on quarter it is less by 2.54%. Of course, most important thing is interest on advance and bills. That is 23.4% more year on year. That's good. Income on investment is always slightly less, just about 10%, less than 10%. Other income, 324 crores of rupees, and that is 144% more year on year, but 18% less quarter on quarter. So quarter on quarter growth also should be attempted much more, but of course these two, the income on investment and other income, are less important. Interest on advance and bills is more important. Karnataka Bank is giving full attention to that. The next is interest expended. That 1,144 crores. It is 21.5% more year on year, 3.14% more quarter on quarter. Interest expended is more. But when you look at the operating profit, you will find that net interest income is good, very good, so that it contributes to operating profit very well. 601 crores is the operating profit, 45.7% more year on year, but 12% less quarter on quarter. Provisions 152 crores, which is less by 58% year on year and less by 40% quarter on quarter. Provisions coming down by 58% year on year, 40% quarter on quarter is very good. Profit before tax 450 crores. That is more by 804% year on year and 4% more quarter on quarter. Net profit, which is the most important thing that we want to see. Now interest etc. are okay. Now net profit 371 crores. It is more by 225% year on year. Very good. 371 crores up by 225% year on year, and quarter on quarter also 4.87% more. Now equity is about 312.44 crores. Basic EPS is 11.87. See, 11.87. It is also 224% more year on year and 4.77% more quarter on quarter. Basic EPS 11.87, good. Diluted EPS is slightly less, that's okay. Then let us look at the NPAs. NPAs, gross NPA percentage is 3.68, which has come down by 9% year on year and 1.6% quarter on quarter. You know, this is one good thing in India. Of late, the NPS, gross and net levels, are both coming down for almost all banks. Karnataka Bank is no exception. Here also, gross NPAs have come down by 9% year on year. Net NPAs at 1.43%. It is, of course, it should come down to less than 1, on par with many other public sector banks. This is, of course, a private sector bank. But okay, 1.43% is reasonably good. It has come down by 34% year on year and 16% come down quarter on quarter. Return on assets is 1.47%, and that is 200% more. See, return on assets is 200% more year on year and 5% more quarter on quarter. Now let us look at some of the other things. Total assets at 99,000 have gone up by 5.35% year on year. Advances at 61,489 crores have gone up by 5.36% year on year. Deposits at 86,960 crores have gone up by 7.92% year on year. Retail deposits are at 58,964 have gone up by 8.89% year on year. All are very good. CASA ratio is at 32.19, has come down by 61 basis points, but of course 32.19 is also not bad, but it can aim for further upgradation there. Say something like 40% it can aim. Provision coverage ratio is 83.47%, which is very, very good. It is more by 670 basis points year on year. Return on equity is 17.7, which is more, hugely more. The previous year 6.39 only, so at 1,131 basis points more. Return on assets 1.47, hugely improved. Earlier it was 0.49, now it is 1.47. Return on assets 98 basis points more. Net interest margin is 3.68. Net interest margin 3.68 is very pleasing, very good. 35 basis points more. Capital adequacy ratio is at 17. That is also 149 basis points more. Return on equity that we have seen. Now, I have told you it is mostly concentrated in South India, especially in Karnataka and other southern states. The Karnataka more than 500, actually 575 states, Maharashtra 53, Tamil Nadu 51, Andhra 43, Telangana 26. Of course, branch expansion has to take place a lot. Karnataka Bank is improving, and I think it will be pleasing the investors a lot in the days to come. Thank you. Follow me. I will be giving you only very good companies. Thank you.